What do you usually do at the weekend? Do you go to the cinema with friends? Watch TV with your family? Or surf the internet? How about last weekend? What did you do last weekend? Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, it was lovely.
What did you do?
I went to the shops.
What did you buy?
I bought bread and milk.
Who did you go with?
I went with my friend.
Did you have a good time?
It was okay.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I had a great weekend.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to the cinema with my friends.
What did you see?
We saw Get Out.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, I had a very good time.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, it was quite nice, thank you.
What did you do?
I was in the library for the whole weekend.
Who were you with?
I was with my friend, James.
Did you have a good time?
Not really.
What did you do last weekend?
I went out for dinner.
Who did you go with?
My friends Carl and Layla.
What did you eat?
I ate a curry and rice.
Did you stay out late?
No, I didn't.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, I did.
What did you do last weekend?
I played tennis.
Who did you play with?
I played with my friend.
Where did you play?
We played in the park.
Did you go out in the evening?
No, I didn't.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did.
Did you have a good weekend? Did you go to an exciting new place? Did you visit an interesting museum in a city? Or did you go for a walk in the quiet countryside? Where did you go last weekend? Did you have a good weekend?
I had a nice weekend.
What did you do?
I went to London.
Who did you go with?
I went with my wife.
How did you travel?
We caught the bus.
How long did you stay?
Just for one day.
Did you enjoy it?
It was very good.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yeah, it was great.
What did you do last weekend?
On Saturday, we went to Windsor to check out the castle and just wandered around, watched the change of guard ceremony. And on Sunday, we just hung out with family, checked out the parks.
Who did you go with?
Family.
How long did you stay in Windsor?
Just for the day, from morning to evening.
Did you enjoy it?
It was great, yeah, great weather.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I had a great weekend, thank you.
What did you do?
I was in Zurich, in Switzerland.
What did you do there?
I was at an art exhibition.
Who did you go with?
I went by myself.
Where did you stay?
I stayed in a hotel.
How did you travel?
I went by plane.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I had a great time.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to Galway.
Where's Galway?
Galway is in the west of Ireland.
How did you travel?
I travelled by car.
Who did you go with?
I went with my family.
How long did you stay?
For the weekend.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I had a fantastic weekend.
What did you do?
Last weekend I was on holiday in Venice.
What did you see?
I saw lots of beautiful buildings.
Where did you stay?
I stayed in a really nice hotel.
Who did you go with?
I went with my girlfriend.
How did you travel?
I flew to Venice.
Did you try some Italian food?
Yes, I had some pizza and some pasta and some seafood.
Did you enjoy it?
I had a really good time.